Warning, watching Snapon Friday could cause the following. Increase in Snapon tool purchases. Drastic loss of toolbox space, possibly resulting in the need of a bigger toolbox. Feeling of personal pride and self-worth. Decreased communication with spouse or significant other. Lowered bank account balance. Tool envies from others, especially co-workers. Could cause a possible increase in libido and or increase in testosterone levels. Warnings have not been approved by FDA, FCC, EPA, FBI, FDIC, ASC, DOD, ICE, NATO, FTC, NCIS, or any of the other abbreviations that nobody understands anyway. Extreme caution is advised.
When the line froze, what did I see? A bad motherfucker standing next to me with his eyes closed, told he can't see. Trying to follow orders, just gone and be free. Be free like a bird, so today I'm a fly.
Alright, somebody was asking about the wrench rack that Hamilton had last week. And here it is. It's called the Pliers rack. And the part number is PLR30.
It should be PLW from that. It will have something. PLR30.
One more time?
Being that this is coming out of our supplemental catalog,
Yeah.
the number for the rack is PLR30, but Snap-on's number is on PLW PLR30 to get the correct number if you were looking for one from your dealer or something.
Right.
That way you can give that number to him and he'll know exactly what to type into his computer thing.
Those are bad to the bone. Guys, we had a little malfunction. I messed up on the first recording on the truck, so we missed some footage. So we'll have a quick rundown of it. Here is the monster wrench extender. It's bad to the bone. If you guys ain't seen them or hadn't heard of them or don't have one, you better get one of them because they're good. And Hamilton showed off the new colors.
Got the new colors, got the high vis, or the yellow is some people want to call it. The new blue, lighter color blue, pretty nice, I like it, pearl blue. And then the purple, which has been a huge hit so far. I've got numerous texts over the purple from my guys. Everybody's wanting purple stuff already. And the blue and the high vis also, but the purple seems to be the new big thing.
The new thing.
Yep, and we got the different colored hammers, also with the pearl blue. Also had the purple, which looks pretty good right there for a hammer. And the old high vis. You set that one down, you'll find it easily.
Yeah.
You don't lose that joker.
That's my favorite one.
Yeah. And also bring back the old 1/2 inch square handles in the same colors also.
Some big ones right there.
They're all right now, as far as I know, all of them be the long ones. I'm not sure if we're able to get the standard length ones that's only like this long in the square handle ones yet. If not, I'm sure that it is on the way. I'm sure it's in the works. If it's not already there, I will find out and I will have an answer on that next week though, just to be 100%. I don't want to give the wrong information out to anybody.
Awesome. You got to talk to them about your new hats and how popular them are.
Yeah, Clay seen these for the first time today. You got the green camo, orange camo, and the high vis camo. I ordered a case of them last year. Went through them in 3 days. Trying to reorder another case of them last year. I got them back in last night, opened them up this morning. A year. And it's not just, these ain't been very popular on my truck, they've been very popular on everybody's truck. Nationwide, everybody's on our franchise page. That's what everybody's been talking about this morning. The hats been coming in this week.
Sure.
I done forgot about them until I seen somebody else said something about them last week. They got theirs in last week.
Yeah.
So I was pretty excited about it. Had to make room for them, get them on there and get these things out there so the guys can see and can get.
They are awesome. Yeah, them new purple hammers are sweet.
They're nice.
Sweet. You got plenty of blue point stuff.
You want to stack back there, but like something, especially if you're they want something to take to the house, something your wife
Yep.
use or something like that.
That's
Same
a
thing
bunch
like
of
my
them.
wife, she wants if it ain't coming off the truck, she ain't gonna use it now. She ain't got burnt.
Man, I guess you can call me a Snap-on snob too. I like it.
Yeah.
I do. That guy in there, when he was putting that boat band together, he used a Snap-on screwdriver. He was. I like him. He makes himself at home, don't he?
That dog burnt.
Oh yeah, those battery magnets are the bomb.
Them are, yeah, nice. Super nice.
Yep, I love them.
Got another one of these?
Mm-hmm. That's a fine machine too.
Yeah, these. I want one for myself, but I want to take one off the truck because I might can sell it. So I'm gonna wait till I get a bunch of them in for.
You got to talk to everybody about the new 14.4 UV lights.
The 14.4 UV lights is gonna look just like these. Got the same 14.4 battery, just like all the other 14.4. The whole lineup uses the same stuff. Looks just like these. Got the head swivels, got the hook on the back when you hang it up. And it's gonna be as bright as these, so you can see. As much as you know, you mess with this UV lights. So honestly, I mean, if you're out here in the parking lot, you can't see with the UV light. You can get the special yellow glasses. I got some in here hanging up somewhere with the magic lights and all that, and that just ain't no good. These is gonna be, this ain't the UV. When I got them ordered, I got 10 of them coming in. I think all 10 of them probably already spoken for too.
I know I want one of them.
Yeah, but I mean, they are just about as these. You can use them as a regular flashlight. You don't have the blue tint to them, of course, but they are that bright. Things are super nice. I'm excited for them. I'm waiting on them to come in just to try them out on anything and everything, just to see what we got and what we can do with them.
What
I'm
was the
excited
other-
about them.
Ain't you getting some new coast lights in?
Yeah, we got coast lights coming in. I ordered a couple packs of these that are exclusive to Snapon franchisees only. They're magnetic. Some of them is they don't look like the regular lights. This is a blue point one. It's gonna be bigger than this, but where it shows on the end and the snap and the blue point right here as on the side. The coast light is a thicker light, maybe about yay long, but you can extend it out, and then that's where you can get your floodlight in at. It's magnetic also. You can stick it up on something and it's gonna sit there for you.
That's cool.
Also, I mean, if you extend it out, you can sit there and it's gonna stay right there where you're gonna be using. You got another light, that's a coast light also. It's gonna come like a dome. That's what it looks like, just like a dome. And the centerpiece is like this, but it does a full 180. It goes all the way over.
Oh, spins over.
And it goes all the way back the other way. So if you're up under the truck, stick it to your frame. You can shine the light down where you want it at. And then if you need to do something, I mean, just get it up out of your way. Where these is only either straight or all the way down like this. The other ones go all the way around.
That'll be nice.
And they're only, I think it's only about this thick too. They are about 4 inches round, but they'll be super nice. I'm waiting on them to come in. I got a bunch of coast lights. I sell a lot of stream lights. I sell a lot of coast lights. I prefer the coast myself, just because of the warranty on them. I handle the stream lights the same way I do the coast because it makes it easier on the customer. You know, stream light don't like that; they frown on it. But it makes it easier on my guys, and I'm gonna do whatever I can do to make it easier on my guys. I mean, they got money they got to make, and if I help them, they help me.
Snap-on service, boys. Snap-on service. Can't beat it. Well, so you got a bunch of new stuff coming in, just waiting on?
I got a bunch of new stuff sitting on my shop floor. Been organizing all week. We'll start a big promo next week. I'm gonna give something away, something big. I'm not sure exactly what it's gonna be yet. I had a couple different ideas that I tossed around, but I'm not sure, so I'm not even gonna say what I think what I'm wanting to do yet. Me and my wife been talking about it, been going over different stuff, seeing about the how much profit there is in the tools, to see just how big of an item we can give away. It's not gonna be your regular shirt and hat or nothing like that. It's gonna be, I mean, something nice, something good that we're gonna do. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be fun.
I'm excited. Hats are nice.
Shirt and hats are super nice. I take all the free shirt and hats I can get.
I love them.
But I'm gonna spend a little money, put a little money out there. I'm gonna see what I'm excited about it. Especially with all the new colors coming in. We got all them pry bars. You seen the snap ring pliers, hammers, screwdrivers. We got all the screwdrivers, the square handle ones. Well, this is the 5-pack that we did a few months back.
Right.
The new ones, we got all new colors. They're in 7-packs. I didn't bring one of them with me today. I just brought a few things just to show the new colors off.
Well, 3 flatheads, 4 Phillips or something?
Nah, probably 4 flats. I imagine 3 Phillips. Because I don't think you're gonna get the big Phillips. It'll probably be the 1, 2, and the 3. I think.
So in other words, 3 Pry Bars, a Flathead, and 2
Don't say that.
2 Phillips, and a all.
Yeah.
That's what that is.
That's about how it goes.
Nobody uses flatheads. Nobody uses flatheads.
I had a guy come to me today. He's like, I broke my screwdriver tip off. I said, what was you doing? Would they bring you the big one?
Oh,
Like
yeah.
this right here? Is that a salvage yard? And the tip was broke smooth straight off the end. I was like, most cars don't have.
See, this is a flathead screwdriver.
About the same
Both
size.
of
on the head.
them's the same thing.
About
Except
the
one of them's bent already.
same size on the head, pretty much. This is a pry bar. This is a screwdriver. But most people's gonna grab this first. I guess
Right.
more leverage.
I don't. I can't stand to see tools abused or dirty. I can't
Or you see
stand
them come in and they done beat the end of it smooth off of it. And I don't know how that happened. I do. I go in there for me real quick how it happened.
Let me see your hammer. I'll show you how you did that. Maybe that Alzheimer's week's
Yeah,
actually coming up in 2 weeks, I believe. Alzheimer awareness here, so
I'm sure we can get plenty of it.
send
Then.
them guys over there. Alright guys, if you notice it's a little bit different setting because it's hot and it's loud out in the shop, so we're out here in our little office in the trucking office so we can finish this video up. But I wanted to show you what I got real quick. We got the rubber boot for the 14.4 3/8 impact. We got one of the cool new hats that Hamilton had on there. And this don't look like very much at all, but it contains the software for light medium trucks for the ProLink. So anyway, that's what we got today. Alright guys, we're going to finish up with Hamilton and get him paid up a little bit, but hope you guys enjoyed that intro because I thought it was pretty cool. Hamilton was cool enough to work with us and do some different shots, and it was fun. So anyway, you guys be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down there below, and we'll catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one. Hey, you ready to go back to work? Ready to go to work? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, man. Matthew.
Yep.
All right. Thanks.
I wouldn't bother you when you do.
That's nice.
Yeah, you got that little ride up there.
It was good, though.
What you say?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Well, Hamilton just left some stuff for another customer that'll come by here and pick it up. So, that's cool.